can. Was that not 12? It might have been. I think I had a bad count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Damn, I just threw that one. 5, 6, 7. Threw that one too. Was that 8? That was 7. I got 3 more.
Shooter understand the course of fire. No.
Now we got strong hand.
Gotta be fine. So you gotta go out just a little bit more.
Hey, John, gotta be.
He scares me because it shoots better.
And you know you can't do that. Take the holster off, put it up there. Cannot draw from holster, cannot put back in holster.
Oh, we can't put it back in the holster either? Oh, boy.
Take the holster off and put it on the counter because you gotta have the holster. Whenever you come in, if it's